ever wondered how Airbnb determines its special categories and how you can get in that special category? Well, we did too until recently. I want to show you something really interesting and kind of funny that we found on one of our own properties. And it looks like Airbnb is using some kind of AI algorithm to look at your images, or at least for some categories, to determine what category you're in. Now, we have some properties, themed properties in Orlando, and these themed properties have murals on the walls. Now, we thought it funny at first when one of our properties came up as a lakeside, in the lakeside category. Now, if you ever want to know where your properties are, or what special categories your properties are in, you can actually click on your listing in your Airbnb, in the listings drop down. If you click on that, you can click on your listing and you scroll down until you see categories and you see which ones yours are in. And now, this particular property was one that showed up as the countryside category. Now, let me be clear, there's no countryside near this neighborhood. It's nowhere to be found. It's more of a swamp than anything. But it does have this picture of a countryside in it. Now, similarly, thought it funny, this property came up as a lakeside category. Again, we didn't try to put it in the lakeside category, and there is no lake near this category, near this property. But Airbnb seemed to have picked up this image and put it in the lakeside category. So the main learning here is if you want to make sure that you get in, and if there's a category you legitimately belong in, and you want to make sure you get in that category, make sure you have a really good picture of it. And now I'm not suggesting that if you want to get in some crazy category, you just take a picture of something random, right? You don't want to advertise your property. But again, if this is something you already belong in and you want to make sure you get in that category, get a good picture of it and you have a good chance of getting in there. Happy optimizing.